Hi, here is the Minolta Capios 150S overall conditions, and here is the pouch. Okay, at first let us open the battery cover at here, and it using one CR1238 battery. Then we just put accordingly like this. Then we just close it. Okay, wait for a while. Then by pulling here to open the back cover, inside will be like this, and here is the film. But the film, we need to slide into it to make sure that the motor is fit into the center part of the canister. So slide from the bottom to the top and push it in. And the film tip, put onto here and make sure that your film is flat like this. Okay, and just close it and you will auto load. Okay, when here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. If it doesn't show figure 1, which means that it didn't load up well, so maybe you need to open it and then adjust a bit. Yeah. Then here is the on-off button. Clicking it, yeah, like this is on. Then here is the zoom function and zoom out. And here is the shutter. But the shooting, when you look into the viewfinder, you spot out at the center point of the viewfinder. Got the dots, so you just use that dot to aim whatever you want to focus and half press. Okay, if it's like this, you see the red light light up while the green light is keep blinking, which means that it can't focus. So maybe we slightly adjust a bit. Yeah, like this means it's okay. Then we just shoot it. If it's blinking like this, which means that it doesn't ready yet, so adjust a bit. Yeah, so every time you just repeat the way lah. Half press, it doesn't blink, click it, will do. Yeah. Then here is the flash setting. Well, I recommend you just put it at auto mode will do. This is red light reduction, force flash, off the flash, flash with night mode. This one off, yeah, auto will do. Then this is the timer, also same, half press and press it. Then if you have a red light up, which means that you have start counting already. Took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, and click again. This one is continuous shooting, which you click the shutter, it will keep shooting lah. Yeah, unless you stop it, then only it will stop. Yeah. Okay, then this one is remote. While the camera doesn't come with the remote, so just ignore it. Okay, then this one is the date function. By clicking it, it will blink, then we just adjust it. Oh my, yeah. We need to wait a moment. Okay, this one is the date imprinting. Then we click select for a while. Okay. Wait, okay. So when you off it, then only you can adjust it lah. Then click the select until this one is the year, month, and date format. 2025. Click again. Click the select to switch another one. January. And see today's what date. Just click it, click select again. This one is the time. Click to the time you want and a minute. Okay, then it's like this will do. And if you want to switch different format, you can switch like this by clicking this. This means it's off. This one is the year, month, date function, the date and the time, and this one is off. Yeah. So see, like this is off it. If you want the date imprinting inside your camera, the outcome, sorry. Then you just click to the format you want and just shoot, and it will print inside. Yeah, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind, so no worry in using, and hope you enjoyed.